Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And on my studio today I want to show you how to set a WhatsApp business account. I know many of you are in business and would like to reach more customers, so I want to show you how to set up a WhatsApp business account. Now, when you look at my phone, the phone I'm using, when I scroll, you know that my phone does not contain the normal WhatsApp. I only use WhatsApp business. Now, if you don't have a WhatsApp business app, just go to your Play Store and install it. It is a WhatsApp business app. Just install it. Now, on this part, you know that when registering on WhatsApp business and still your phone has got the other WhatsApp, you have to register using a different number, since you cannot have two WhatsApp on your phone. Now, when you install the app, you just tap to open the app. You know that I normally use WhatsApp business for my messaging. I normally use it as a normal WhatsApp and as a WhatsApp business. Now, on WhatsApp business, for you to set up a cool profile, you just go to these three dots, you tap on them. I assume you have installed your app, and here now you are on creating your profile and your account. So after clicking on three dots, you go to, first I will direct you to settings. You tap on settings, then on settings you have to include your profile picture. On this part, I hope you have done all at the beginning. You have to include your name, the name of your business or your name. Then there is some good features here, where if you're offering some services, you are selling goods, you have a business tool. When you tap on a business tool here, you tap on it, you have to create your business profile. As you can see, when you tap on business profile, this is where now you get your name, the business name. Then what you basically do on your business, your services, where you are located, your operation hours. You can add your email address, your website if you have any, and then on the lower part you have part one, your products. On this part you want your product that you deal with. You increase all your product, click on manage, and tap on manage. You can add all your products that you deal with. That is now the catalog manager. Then another thing on WhatsApp business app, when you tap on greetings message, that it is here, you click on business message, you know that there is an option where you can indicate your greetings. For example, this is my greetings message, and this one, you know that this one is sent automatically to anyone who WhatsApps you. It is to you to set whether you want the message, the greetings to be sent to everyone. You can set if you want it to be sent to everyone, not in address book, everyone except it is you to set. So you look on this part, depending on how you want the greeting messages to be sent to. Then again, you go back, there is a away message, this one. Away message, again, it is a message where when someone inbox you and you are offline, the message is sent automatically by WhatsApp. So the person who SMS you and you are offline within that moment, this message goes directly automatically to the sender. You can note again, you can schedule. When you tap on schedule, you can see it is always set to anyone. You can custom schedule or outside of business hours. It will depend on how you want the away message to be delivered. Then again, you can set the recipient whom you want the away message to be sent to. Again, you set there, and that is how you do about the greetings messages and the away messages. And remember, these are automatically sent to anyone according to how you've set the message to be delivered. They are sent automatically. Then you have another option of quick replies. Like you tap on quick replies, that part. This is where now you write your own small message to quick reply to your customers. You set there. Then when you go back again with those small settings, you'll have set a cool business account. And remember, using WhatsApp business, remember when you install this WhatsApp business, you can uninstall the other WhatsApp, because whatever you do on the normal WhatsApp, you can do it on this WhatsApp business. As I have shown you on my phone, I don't have the other WhatsApp. I normally use this WhatsApp business for all of my conversation